Hey everybody, this video we got a lock out of a 2018 Chevy Trax. It's the HU100 keyway 8 cut. We use the 8 cut Lishi, and I'll give you some tips and stuff on it. I've already made a key to this. I got this at the junkyard. I already picked it and made a key. Bidding on this is actually 44313,423, and I'm going to put that on the screen so you guys will see it the whole time. And I just want to show you something here. The key works fine. And what I want to show you with this, if you have 4 cuts, and even sometimes a 3 cut with not just the HU100 Lishi, a lot of them are like this where the tool actually will set the longest possible pin or wafer. So like, on a quick set, you don't have to pick a 6 pin. On a Schlage, you don't have to pick a 9 pin. BMWs, you don't have to pick a 4, so on and so forth. What I'm going to show you on this here, get my hand in here and zoom in. Okay, hopefully we can all see. And I'm just going to leave the bidding up there. So it's 44313,423. So when I'm pushing on number 1 here, I feel it's not springy, but it's also not stiff. That indicates it's a 4. 2 is the same thing. We'll go to 3. 3 binds, get a little bit of a click. 4 is going to click and get a little rotation. 5, a lot of rotation. Okay, 6 is a 4. It's the same thing. It's not springy, but it's also not as stiff as one that's set. You just have to get a feel for it. Hit 7 here, and it opens. So it didn't have to touch 8. So the tool, I didn't pick 1, 2, 6, or 8, and the lock opens. So, we start from the other direction. See, so we'll start here. We'll start on 7. Okay, 7 got, I don't know if you heard, it's a tiny little click. We're just going to leave 6 completely alone. Okay, 5 is not binding it. 4, nice big click on 4. 3, and we're open. So you notice we didn't touch 8, 1, or 2. So those all set, just from the tool being in there. And if you don't get a feel for that, I'd recommend going to the junkyard and finding locks, and if you can find the keys with them too, then that even helps you more when you're learning how to do it. This one didn't have a key. You can kind of get a feel for what those number 4s feel like. Because if I were to actually push the number 4s because they feel like they're binding to me and I click them, I'm probably not going to get an open. See if you, that one doesn't even want to push anymore. That's the number 6. But I've already overset 1 and 2. So my lock's never going to open. You got to reset and start over. But if you kind of develop that feel where it's kind of it's almost spongy feeling is what it almost feels like. And always too, if you're not sure, skip it and move on to the next pin because you can always come back, or next position. It's going to open now without even having to hit number 8. And it opens. So just some tips here on it's not only the HU100, it's a lot of the Lishis are like that. It's just the way the tool is made where it actually will set the longer pins or wafers depending on what you're working with. So I just want to do that quick video on it, and I do have a Chevy Malibu lock here. I'm going to be actually picking and making a key for it. I have not messed with this one yet, so that'll be probably the next video. As always, questions or comments, put them in the comments, and until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.